Hello, my name is Juliana Ramirez. I am going to explain you my worksheet. My worksheet is about the simple past and the past progressive. So there are two concepts for this explanation. The concepts are the simple past. The simple past is used for past action that happen in either at a specific time, which can either be given by a time expression, for example, yesterday, last year, last night. As this case, for example, I read a book last night. She lived in Japan last year. And other example I have is she like to sit in the sun. This is the simple past. In other case, what is the past progressive? The past progressive can be used to describe an activity in the past which was interrupted. For example, I was watching TV when the phone rang. He was painting the door when a bird through the window. While she was doing her homework, her brother was playing football. There are two concepts and their respective examples. Now, there are different activities to explain my student the difference between the two concepts. In the sphere activity is an explanation about regular and irregular verbs. This activity will be with a video. Here is the video about the topic, and this is an explanation about the about the regular and irregular verbs. There is the explanation about the difference between both regular and irregular. Next, it is the activity number 2. This activity is about the writing skills. In this activity, the student must write the time of this verb, and they must write if this verb is regular or is irregular. The activity number 3 is an online activity. This activity is to identify some irregular verbs. There are verbs in Spanish, and the student must match your verb. For example, this leer, and the student must search the leer in English in past tense. Activity number 4 is a video 2 about the difference simple past and past progressive. The activity number 5 is about speaking skill. The student must speak about what they understand about the difference between the two verbal signs. And activity number 6 is the student must fill the following information, taking into account what they have learned. For example, she, the verb is sit, and this is the complement. they must write this verb in your correct time. The activity number 7 is about the reading skills. The student must read this story and they must change this story that is in past simple and change in past progressive. For example, Charles and Beth enjoyed the theater. This is a past simple. And Charles and Beth were enjoying the theater is in past progressive. This is the activity. Change the times. And last activity is number 8 is other online activity. In the celebrity page, the student will do an evaluation about what did they understand about the topic and true and funny activity. This is a reference. Thank you so much to see the presentation.